before my color come back, baby, I'm looking like a clear white woman. I just got off. I'm finna go to my other one. I'm almost there. So I was trying to do a quick little check-in. Yo, today was a great day. Like, no complaints. Okay, y'all. So I'm just not getting off. Baby, when I tell you, honey, it is cold. Like, this wind is not playing. Like, it's cutting me. It's cutting me deep. But we're basically getting ready for this whole little winter storm. I don't think we're going to get some rain and probably ice. Which, I ain't gonna lie, I'm glad. Because how it's looking like I might not be going to... Well, my second job is going to be closed Monday. So I don't have to worry about that. Thank you, Jesus. Now, I need to make sure my main job be closed. Cause baby, if that's closed, ooh, I am going to enjoy it. Okay, I'm going to enjoy not doing nothing. Okay, honey, that day we might even have chili, honey. I know I got a pack of ground beef. I probably go get another one and get some tomato soup and tomato soup. No, tomato sauce. 2 of that. Ooh, and I want to put some sausages in there too. Oh my God, it is so good. I think I got a roll. No, I don't. I have to go get a roll, but that is definitely okay. But yeah, let's see if these little children, they clean the house how they need to. We got to do a whole bunch of laundry. I need to do some sheets and stuff. I may do it tonight. I may not. We're gonna see. But yes, so let's go ahead and get to this house real quick.
For sure.